Zoe, do you like your plate? Huh? Do you like your plate? Yeah, can I see your plate? Let me see it. Oh, that's nice. I like your plate. That's a nice plate. You gonna eat some food off of it? Are you gonna eat some food? Huh? Delicious. Delicious. You just bump your head. Can you say thank you, Linda? Can you say thank you? Say thanks. Thanks. Can you say thanks?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like your plate? It's pretty, huh? Pretty. Can you say thanks? No, sit down. You know you're supposed to sit down. Don't stand up. Sit down, Zozo. 1, 2, good girl.
No.
I love you. Okay, all done. Okay. Oh, did you hear the party? Oh. Yeah, there was a tweet up there, wasn't there? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Can you say thank you?